Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. And this is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube. And today's date is April 22nd in the year of perfect vision. Why did I call it the year of perfect vision? Besides the fact it's 2020, it's the year where a lot of people are going to have to pull their head out of their ass, dig the shit out of their eyes, and look around and see how the world really is. And why is this? Anybody can be a star on YouTube? And I'm talking this depressing stuff? Well, the simple fact is, no matter how innocuous you are, how lovable, you come out of anonymity and you put yourself on YouTube, there's going to be some sick-minded piece of shit going to hate you. Don't like the shape of your face. Don't like your voice. Maybe they think you have a different love style than them. Or maybe it's just the fact that you're poor. And rich people really want the poor people to die, because the less poor people there are, the more there is for the rich people. And you know how you can tell someone's really rich? He knows that there's not enough in the world for him to have his and anybody else have anything. Yeah, okay, now, another reason why this is Anybody Can Be a Star on YouTube is the last 3 weeks in attending Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop live stream, some ankle biter had been hacking me. Started off, he grabbed the cursor out from my control, slam it across the page, and click on something I have no interest in all. Then it's changing settings in my computer, moving things around. So, no more will I be attending any live stream. Not even to just look at it while it's live. Any of them that interest me, I'll watch the next day. My videos. Well, since I'm not doing this to make money, how much I make, no problem. I'm going to do it for me. I have 26 subscribers, unless I've lost them since the last I looked. I did the mathematics. Approximately 1.68 people actually look at my videos. So, it's not for the freaking audience either. Me. Or should I remember, My reason for doing this is so I can have some fun. Well, I'm going to still have fun. I'll post what I post to please myself. I don't know if I'll be talking to my fellow tubers, the ones I consider friends. There's one or two I trust. You two know who you are. But, probably not be commenting because, face it, only 2 or 3 people I do make comments to their channels even respond with a, hey, that's nice, thank you. And so far, no one watching my videos. So I probably turn off comments. Add a caption to my channel. You want to talk to me? Post a vid. I don't know. I'm in the kind of mood where Poppy's not happy. So any y'all I've been commenting on and you miss them, thank the hacker. You missed something that I was posting just, because people would want me to post. If I don't like doing it, that ain't happening. I'm getting back to what makes me happy. Good night from California. Stay safe. Stay alive. Remember, rich people want you to die. If you don't, you inconvenience them, which is the best thing a smart, right-headed person in this planet can do is disconvenience rich people.